Welcome to Wildrose Media's Winter Craft Box tutorial. In this video, I will be teaching you how to create the yarn heart. Begin by emptying your craft kit onto your work surface. In the kit, you'll find a paper plate, some pink yarn, a glue dot, and a paintbrush. You'll also want either the pink or the red paint from your craft box. Paint the paper plate either pink or red and let it dry completely. Now the paint is dry, we're going to weave the yarn through the holes. Begin with the top hole in the center of the heart. Push the yarn up from the back of the plate, through the hole, and back down again in the center hole at the bottom of the plate. So the yarn will be straight up and down. Carefully pull the yarn till you have about an inch or two of pink yarn left behind the plate. Be sure not to pull the yarn all the way through or you'll have to start over again. Hold your finger on the end of the yarn and pull the rest of the yarn tight. Next, you'll come up through the back of the plate, through the hole on the right of the one you just went through. Once again, keep your finger on the tail of the yarn at the back of the plate. Push the other end of the yarn up through the hole and pull it all the way through until it's tight. Next, you'll cross over the yarn and push it down from the top through the hole on the bottom left. Pull all the yarn through until it's tight, and then again go from the bottom up through the hole second from the right. Pull the yarn all the way through until it's tight, then push it from the top down through the second hole on the bottom left. And go up through the hole third from the top right. You'll keep weaving back and forth, crisscrossing the center and pulling the yarn tight until you've inserted the yarn in all the holes. You'll insert it one more time through the hole in the middle. Then you'll flip the plate over and the two ends should be side by side. Take the ends at the back of the plate and tie them in a knot so they don't slip out. If the ends show from the front, you can take the glue dot, take one of the plastic layers off, take the sticky side and push it against the yarn and the back of the plate to hold the yarn tails in place. If you want, you can further decorate the plate with the other paint in your box. It's completely up to you. Thanks for watching.